to the Diamondxpres Diamond Painting Studio, where we're going to do an unboxing of the type of diamond painting we've been doing with our giveaways on our live YouTubes. We do a live YouTube video about once or twice a week, and when we do those, we've been doing giveaways. We've given away over 700 diamond paintings in the past year on our live shows, and they're all free, and all you have to do is show up to the show and guess a number, and if you guess the closest to the number or the right number, you will win a free diamond painting, and this is the type of diamond painting you will win. So let's open this thing up. This diamond painting is called Supernatural. It is a 30 by 40 diamond painting. We'll get that flattened out, and we'll show you what it looks like right here. You can see the symbols are very clear, and we will peel off some of the protective coating to show you what the symbols look like on the diamond painting itself. Very clear, very easy to read. The tool kits that come with these. Tweezers, multi-placers, grips, waxes, two nice waxes, a nice tray, tweezers, and a triple placer pen right here, and then your multi-placer pen right there. So good looking tools, good looking baggie for the tools. So that's good. This canvas, I'm going to show you the back side of this canvas. The canvas is perfect. Okay, there's no blemishes or anything on this canvas. There's no wrinkles. You can see when I peel this off how smooth the canvas is. I'll show that to you up close. Symbols are all clear. You don't have to use this plastic covering. You can use parchment paper. Okay, let's look at the diamonds. And look at these wonderful colors, 24 different colors. Easy to do an inventory. As you've got, they're numbered 1 through 24, like this. The diamonds are perfect. We'll put those up there for you. Let you look at those. Very nice diamonds. And they've got 24 numbers, 24 diamonds. So all good there. Nice colors. Easy to keep track because you don't have 1,000 little bags. You've only got 24 bags or so. And pretty easy to put back together if you need to. So this is Supernatural, 30 by 40, and Good tools, good diamonds, outstanding canvas, great clear symbols, and an awesome design. I'm going to show you what a finished one looks like as well.